Hi, this is Shiki Broadcasting. This I thought the snow will up to the second floor, but it didn't, and it's just up to the floor level and the first floor wall, and nangatawa sila tuon kay nilaon sila nga dili kuno ko kahibayo mo broadcast, but look, I step to this thing, the snow. I'm walking, look, oh, it's very very cold. Look, you can see my footstep. Look, it's very very cold. They're laughing at me, and now I'm walking up here. See? Nangatawa sila tungod kay nilaong sila nga dili ko kaiba yung mga broadcast, but ingon ko na is early mag-broadcast kay kuan imura explain what's happening and what's going on. Look, ang amo atop. Look, ang atop. See? From here.